Hi, Namaste. Welcome to my channel U24 Healings Energy Cafe. This is Vrishali, your spiritual healer, a psychic medium, occultist, and a writer. I thought of making this quick video about importance of colors or powerful colors in your daily life. This helps a lot, for energy healing, shifting of your subconscious energy, and helps you to motivate, take you through the daily lifestyle, the daily challenges quite peacefully. Okay, more or less, this information that I'm going to be sharing with you is based on the chakras, and I'm going to be putting up a lot of spiritual topic videos, which I've been thinking to do, and I find it a little hard, to bring the information on YouTube because I'm so caught up with my own work, and I'm writing a book, so just kind of busy with that. So let's begin the information. I'll start with the color black. Okay, most of us use black. Me, at least 5 years ago, used to use a lot of color black. In fact, when I opened my wardrobe, people said to me that you have just black. Okay, my mom, my friends, my colleagues, they said you used to use you're wearing a lot of black. Okay, and I found that color to be very emphasizing my confidence, my nature, and I think that was sometimes easy to deal with your hidden stuff or hidden things about you. But later I realized some areas of my life were not improving at all. Okay, and then I came across some numerologists and also some psychic readers, and they also helped me and said and prompted to switch to some other dark colors, other darker shades, rather than using black per se, and that kind of really helped a lot. So today I'm going to be sharing that information. First of all, if you are heavy black user, okay, so remember one thing: black will not promote any growth in your life. It will not bring any abundance energy or new energy in your life. So try quitting black color and shift to different colors. You can use darker blue, Prussian blue. These kind of blues will be more better as compared to black. Okay, so black I wouldn't recommend. Yeah, then talking about gray. Gray is a modern color, sophisticated, a rich color, and it's very neutral tone, but you should limit the color gray as well, only if it's required. You don't have any other option, then it's fine, but not too much gray again. So gray and black, two colors are ruled out. Okay, now let's move to the colors which actually help in energy healing. So the color purple, all shades of purple. Okay, whether it's lavender, whether it is dark lavender or dark purple. Okay, so this color will help you to get connected with your inner self, your inner wisdom, spirituality, consciousness. This color is very beautiful color. It has a very beautiful energy. Try using this color. If you don't like to use it on your body, you can use it in let's say you have a flower pot, or you have curtains, maybe bed sheets. So use this color and it will help to raise your vibrations a lot. Okay, it's a very beautiful color. The next color I would recommend, which is again as per the chakras, is indigo. Okay, so this color helps you to raise your own intuition, your own knowing, connect with your inner voice, and this color brings in a lot of positivity and consciousness. So this is a wonderful color to use, indigo. The next color that I would recommend is blue, all types of blue. Okay, whether it's sea blue, wind blue, if it's a light blue, okay, a darker shade of blue, or baby blue. Blues is very calm, very cool, and very easy. It's a very trusting color. So like if you use a lot of blue, that will sort of help you to calm down. Like especially as you can use blue for Mondays, because people are kind of frustrated going to work, finding it like a lot of difficulty to start the week. So I think blue is an amazing color to set the tone for the entire week. Okay, you can have Too much blue, it's okay, it's not going to be having any sort of negative effect. And I use a lot of blue, and I like white also, so I'm going to be talking about white and its benefits as well. But yeah, you can combine blue and white. It's very very again peaceful and calming. I think a lot of people like blue jeans and white color top t-shirt or shirts, whatever they like. It's an excellent combination. The next color that I'd like to recommend is green. Okay, so green is a fresh green, you know, the green when during the rainy season we get to see that green. That green is very very powerful color. It has a lot of abundance, energy, prosperity, growth, healing effect. It gives you the best healing effect, and of course that is related to our chakra, the heart chakra. So in case some of you are going through phases of depression or anxiety, so this color helps a lot. Okay, it's like a savior. So again, you can use a lot of green in your kitchen, you can use it in your bedroom, in your bathroom, in your living hall. It depends, okay, where you would like to place this color, but make sure that you're able to see this color, right? And suppose you are somebody who is not getting opportunities to travel, you're doing the same kind of stagnant work and you want to travel a lot and you want to attract the opportunities, then go pick up yourself a green bag. Okay, a green backpack will help to bring in a lot of travel opportunities. You will travel like anything, at least personal travel, if not work. Okay, I assure, because this has been a case with me, and I was fed up of traveling that I literally had to throw away my bag because I traveled a lot, I traveled a lot with that bag, right? And that's when I realized the power of green color. Okay, so the next color that I'll recommend is about yellow. See, yellow is a very beautiful color to raise your positivity, your positive vibration, and to get you out of any sort of depressing thoughts, negative energies, or any sort of thoughts that you keep eating yourself. Okay, so if you are experiencing or if you're going through that phase, then please surround yourself with yellow color. And so you can consume yellow fruits and vegetables, definitely that is one of the things, but like try to use a yellow mug. Okay, like you can use yellow t-shirts, yellow towels, yellow curtains, yellow bed sheets. A lot of yellow will make it work for you. Your creativity, your willpower, your confidence, your essence, everything will kickstart with this color yellow, and try that out. Okay, but yeah, don't combine the yellow and the black. The next color I'd like to recommend is orange. Orange is another very powerful color. If you want to bring in confidence in your relationship, you want to bring in the energy of intimacy in your life, you want to bring in the energy of love in your life, you want to express, you are too much into your vulnerable zone, you want to show that out, you want to be powerful with that energy, then orange is the color. So use orange tones in different areas of your life. You can use it in your kitchen, your crockery, or your wardrobe. So wherever you want to use it, use orange, and that will make you a lot more confidence to show your weakness. Okay, this is a totally different energy, being strong in your own weakness, because everybody has weakness and we can't hide that, even if we want to, and even if we hide, for how long we can hide it. So it's okay to be yourself, right? And that energy is what orange has got, and orange will help you to be that confident and to boost your confidence. And the next color is red. Red, I think we all know red is the color of passion, of courage, of a lot of strength and stability, and grounds you, and it's so much passionate and powerful color. Okay, but don't overuse it, because red can bring in a lot of agitation, and red can also unnecessarily make you frustrated and trigger anger. So use red color in limitation, and I would recommend like not using red color on Tuesdays specifically. So make sure that you use red, but in a limited way. And you can also use pink. Okay, and mauve, purple. These are also beautiful colors that help you a lot with emotional healing, especially people going through breakups and separations and maybe breaking off their marriages. So wherever there's a heart pain, we can use green as one side, and definitely the shades of pink and mauve and purple. This also helps a lot to calm your heart, to ease through that pain and that pressure when one experiences during this tough times. Okay, and last but not the least, one of my favorite colors, white. Yes. Now why white is, yeah, of course I'm wearing white, you can see that. Great. Okay, so initially I think I had almost nothing white in my wardrobe. Then I think one of my friend gifted me white t-shirts and stuff like that, and said that Shari, you don't have anything white, and why don't you just start using this? And I'm like, oh, okay, I'll do it. So this color is very peaceful, calm. Okay, you can breathe through any difficulties of life. If you really want to feel your emotional stability, then I highly recommend you to wear white color. White is like the best color you can have to feel peaceful, to feel normal when times are abnormal, when times are crazy like the pandemic that we are going through right now, when times are not so much, the cosmic alliance is so much not in favorable, at least to your individual energy. So I think this color comes as a savior, and you can experience peace. You can meditate with this color. If not, if you don't like wearing white yourself because of maybe your body types, and maybe you have this conception that because some people do have this conception that if you wear white, you look large, you look 2 sizes bigger than what you are. But I think it's not for others, it's more for you, because the more you see white, the more you're going to feel peaceful, and the more you're going to take your decisions in a calm way. So I like to use a lot of white for the curtains. Okay, I recommend to my clients, for the linen in your kitchen. I know it's a little tough to handle white, but it has its own beauty, it has its own luxury, it has its own richness, it has its own value. Like, you can use white crockery, and this is also a color, like if some of you are experiencing issues with love life or issues with health, especially organic related health, I think you need to push in using this color a lot more. Okay, this will help restore the energies and boost the strength in its own way. And it's a beautiful color. You can experience a lot of things because white goes with anything and everything. Okay, but again, when you're wearing white, don't combine it with black. Okay, you can combine with any other color, but leave it black, because these are two completely contrast colors, and then the energies won't work well. Okay, if you don't like wearing white per se, then you can use white in the crystals, like in the crystal forms, like selenite. You can use clear quartz. Yeah, I'm wearing a selenite pendant, so something like that. So that also will help you a lot. Okay, all right guys, so this is some interesting information about colors and how you could heal yourself with the energy of colors. I hope you've liked this video. Be a family, subscribe and stay here, and thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.